Okay guys, so here's the problem that you had to work on. You notice a stool has 3 legs. So you can start by drawing your stool, and it has 3 legs in the back and over here. So if a stool has 3 legs, and you have 2 stools, then you would have a total of how many legs? 6 legs. And how do you know it's 6 legs? 3 legs in one stool and 3 legs in the other stool. Now this problem says that you also have chairs, and a chair has 4 legs. And then you have the other one, which would be over here. So we've got one stool with 1, 2, 3, 4 legs, or sorry, one chair with 4 legs, plus another chair, and the other chair is also going to have 1, 2, 3, 4 legs. So if you have 2 chairs, you would have a total of 8 legs. Now in Liam's problem, Liam counts a total of 31 legs. So if there are 31 legs altogether, then you have to decide in the question how many stools and chairs it would take to make up 31 legs. Well, if we only count by 3s in terms of stools, for stools we would have 3, 6, 9, 12, and if you continue to count by 3s, (31) doesn't fall as a multiple of 3. And then if we look at chairs, (31) doesn't match as one of the multiples of 4 either. So we definitely have to combine them. Now we can look at them and figure out, okay, what if we take 12 and add it to 16, that gives you 28, that's close. But you have to pick 2 numbers that would work. And then you have to figure out, well, how can you find out the number itself? So if I was only to look at this one, for 15 stools, for 15 legs, how many stools would that be? Well, to find out, I would have to do 15 legs divided by 3 legs per stool, and that would tell me, okay, that's 5 stools. Because it's 15 legs total, divided by 3 legs per stool, and that equals 5 stools. So if I had 15, how many more would I need to get 31? Well, 31 subtract 15 will give me 16. And if you look in your chairs, there is one that matches. Okay, so, and I just got lucky, that was a good guess. So 16, if there were 16 legs in the chairs, divided by how many legs are there per chair? 4 legs per chair, because that's given in the question. That would equal, well, you have 16 divided by 4, use your multiplication tables or do groups of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 16 divided by 4. So we've got 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16. So 16 in one group. So I have to divide it into 4 groups. So we're going to divide it into 4 smaller groups. So we can take these and move them into the groups itself, one at a time, or in groups. So 1, 2, we can move 2 at a time if you want. 1, 2. How many have we shared altogether? 2, 4, 6. So we need 2 in this one, and that would give me 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. I think some of them, I grabbed onto them, they didn't move, but in any event, altogether you would find that there is a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 per group, if you did the drag and drop of the check. And then, again, another double check, working in reverse, 4 times 4, multiplication table equals 16. How can you prove that? 4 groups of 4. So there's one group of 4, 2, 3, and then 4 groups of 4. So that's 4, 4, 4, 4. 4, 8, 12, 16. Match. Match. Okay? So 16 divided by 4 is 4. And if that's the case, now we've proven that 16 legs from chairs would be created by 4 chairs. 4 chairs would equal 16 legs. And up here we've proven that 5 legs from the stools would equal 5 stools. So if you want 31 legs total, it's equal to 5 stools and 4 chairs combined. So if you were to add all the legs from 5 stools and 4 chairs, you would get 31 legs total. So this is an example about how you can use related facts to prove that you're accurate. Don't forget in stools, I didn't really show it, but I can. 15 legs total divided by 3 legs per stool equals 5 stools. Well, can I work backwards? Sure you can. That means if you have 5 stools multiplied by 3 legs per stool, how many legs total would you have? Well, you'd have 5 groups of 3. And altogether it's 5 groups of 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups of 3. So there's one of them. 2 groups of 3, 3 groups of 3, 4 groups of 3, 5 groups of 3, which is the same as 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, and that equals altogether 15. So 5 times 3 is 15 legs total. And if you look down here, that's exactly what you were starting with. That's exactly what you found here in your multiplication table. Therefore, you've proven that your division sentence is your division operation is accurate by using multiplication, using a related fact. And that was the expectation.